Another one of my favorite hip stability exercises is done on the back. So it's a great starter exercise and it is called heel slides or hip extensions. And you can use a variety of props with this. A great one to start with is a sock or a hand towel. Place the hand towel underneath your heel, come on down to your back. You could have your head down on the floor, or you could hold up in a little bit of a curl and extend and bend your knee and your hip, keeping the pelvis nice and still. Another prop I love to use for hip extension is a big squishy ball. The ball has more instability, so it could be a little more challenging. Another one is a small and squishy ball. A little bit smaller, might be a little more challenging than the bigger ball. The foam roller is a little more stable than a squishy ball, but still gives you more challenge than having your heel on the floor. Last but not least, you could use a weighted ball, keeping that idea of instability and adding a few pounds into your hip extension, upping the challenge just a little bit more.